Okay, wait. Okay, I think that's good. Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be making some slime. This is only a one recipe, so this is gonna be easy. So all you need is a bowl or like a mixing bowl, and then you need some mixing utensil and you need some glue. So these type of glues will work like Uhu and this. They both work the same, but it has to be clear glue, then it'll work. Basically like any type of glue, hopefully. So let's get started. So first you wanna add your glue, your gloopy glue. Sorry for blocking. Let's add our glue. You're also gonna need some water. I forgot to say that. To make it not stiff, because this is only made out of glue, so it'll be stiff. So you can see I've added my glue. Super clear. Hey. So now you want to grab your mixing utensil and then you want to mix it. And if you keep mixing it, it will form up. It's going to turn into slime soon. You just want to keep mixing it. Like you can see, you just want to keep mixing it. You want to quickly mix it. And then you want to like once it's like starting to stick on your knife or your mixing utensil, anything that you're using to mix the slime, you want to scrape it. And you see mine is like sticking onto mine. So that's mean you're ready to add your water. So you only want to add a little bit, just a little bit. And the water is the activator to make it like come together quicker, so you can see. But if you just add glue, it will take like 3 minutes. This one, if you add water, it just become like slime so quickly. Like once you add it, like you can see mine is forming up. And water is the one that also makes it like soft, because if you only add glue, it's just gonna be firm. It's not gonna be firm when you add glue. When you add the glue and you mix it, and once it's done, it's gonna be really stiff. So I recommend adding some water to your slime. And if it's like not, if your water is not enough like me, you just wanna add more. But same, you have to add a little. And then you wanna mix. You can see mine. If you use glue and then you don't use water, it's okay, but it's just gonna be really stiff. And it's gonna be like easy to dry out and it's gonna rip. And if you add too much water, it's gonna be non-stretchy. So you don't wanna add too much. Also, if you put like only clear glue, and then you mix it, you just need to keep mixing, you know? It could come together if you don't use water too, but both of them will work the same, okay? It's really up to you. Oh! Oh my god, it's so sticky. Once it's like coming together, you want to start mixing. You guys, but first I want you to like try it out a little at a time, because you don't know if you will success or you'll make slime. Probably you're gonna fail, probably you're gonna succeed. You don't know. So once it's done, you wanna knead it a little bit. Mine is cold and wet. This one I made it earlier. You can see this one's lighter and this one's more clear because because I play with it and knead it a little bit. Yeah. And the reason why this is like more white is because you mix it and then it creates air bubbles. So yeah. And obviously this one's softer than this one because I just made this one. So I'll be back when it's clear. Bye. So I kneaded a lot and here's how it turned up. It's pretty clear. So yeah, I'm gonna mix this and this together to like a big batch. I also made this like a long time ago. Like it was so big, it was like this big. Actually, no, it's like a little small. It's just like this. I used this glue. That's why it's already finished because I used it. So yeah. So here's my slime. Wait, I also made it like this morning. Right now it's like 12. I made it like at 9, 10. I'll be back. I can't find it, but yeah. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notification bells, and then I'm gonna be singing on this channel, and I'm gonna be showing you some craft life hacks and all that fun stuff. So subscribe. Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Oh, look at that clearness of my slime. So you just need to keep it in a container. So yeah.